Hey everybody, how you doing tonight? Welcome back to Kent's Food Review. Glad you're here with us on the Super Bowl Sunday. We got a great review coming at us right now. We got a head-to-head wing matchup with Hurricane Wings and Xtream Wings down in St. Johns County. Wicked excited to try this out. One of the two flavors that they have in common are the garlic honey. So we got both wings, two drums. Got them home nice. I'm going to try these two out and see which one has the better wings at the Super Bowl wing matchup. And on deck, we also have some of their fries, along with the beautiful smoked sausage wrapped in a crescent roll, and some really great smelling pulled pork nachos. Now, this pulled pork was homemade. It's nothing fancy from a restaurant. It has a really strong smell of that beautiful smoky goodness that comes on pulled pork. Floridians know how to do pulled pork right, and I'm about to smash on some of this. I did have some of it yesterday at a party I was at, and it was absolutely phenomenal. I had to grab some to take it home and throw it on some nachos. I'm also going to indulge and eat it with the eggs Benedict tomorrow for breakfast, and I'm definitely excited to try it out. So first up, we'll do Hurricane Wings. Nice, fried, golden colored, perfectly nice and crispy. It's got the garlic honey sauce on it. One calls it garlic honey, the other one is honey garlic. It is what it is. We'll try out the Hurricanes first. Here we go. It really only has a really light honey flavor to it. Can't taste the garlic at all on it. Definitely nice and crispy wings. Nice and juicy, chickeny. Sweet flavored wings. Really not getting any garlic at all over there. Kind of it's not a bad wing. It's not that it's a bad wing. It's just no garlic flavor. I got the honey garlic for a reason. I was expecting a little bit more garlicky flavor with the honey, and it's just not there. So we shall try Xtream Wings. We'll give them a fair shot. Again, very competitive wing style, very nice color. It looks really good. Nice golden color to it. Let's just hope the flavor is there. The wing is a little more juicy. Definitely not tasting any of that honey garlic on there at all. It's a really good wing. It's crunchy. It has plenty of flavor to it. It's juicy. There's just no honey or garlic flavor, period. That's like eating a plain wing right there. It's kind of as disappointing as the Bengals not scoring the first touchdown in the game right now. Let's go on to the fries, though. The fries are from not from Hurricanes. The fries are from Xtream Wings. The 4-piece chicken comes with fries. That's the only reason why I got fries are one and not the other. Probably try to make up for the lack of honey garlic on the wing. The fries are really good. They're seasoned to perfection. Nice salt flavor to it. Really just can't go wrong with that. I mean, they're fries. They're good fries. They definitely never disappoint on the fries. Now we'll try out this barbecue right here. These are nice Floridian tortilla chips. And I tell you what, These chips, they're on point and they're on fire. They got a nice little spice to it, nice little heat. Definitely puts Tostitos to shame. You can probably only get them in Florida. And if you can't get them, you need to move down somewhere that has good chips and good food. Just look at this nice pile of nachos right here. Just awesomeness. Plenty of pulled pork on there. Nice big chunks with cheese. Some olives and tomato. Forgot to get the onion, so there's none of that here. I did use Stubbs barbecue sauce. Stubbs and I go a long way back. Way back from when I first started learning how to cook. Been using him for many years. And definitely the best barbecue sauce of all time. Stubbs has that nice molassesy flavored and sweet flavored barbecue sauce that complements any smoke flavor really well. It's kind of hard to tell what chips they use for the pulled pork, but I mean, it is on point. It is nice and smoky flavored. It just fills your whole mouth with that nice aroma and nice taste of that wood chip. Definitely done with love and care. It's not vinegary. It's nice and juicy and moist in the middle. Probably one of the best barbecue places in Florida for home cooked, especially. Seeing as how he cooked it at home, and it's not a restaurant, obviously not everyone can get it. But I tell you what, he give G's barbecue and woodpeckers, along with Fall Rivers, for a run for the money. It's literally that good. And these Florida chips that are Florida made, they're not Tostitos brand, but these Florida chips, they put the icing on the cake. Absolutely awesome and top of the line. Make pulled pork nachos well worth it. Stubbs barbecue sauce is where it's at. The best barbecue sauce around. You can find it pretty much anywhere. Throw it on all your meats. It'll guarantee to make everybody happy. Now we got a smoked kielbasa sausage wrapped in a crescent roll. Nice and golden brown. The kielbasa has jalapeños in it. Give it a nice little bite and texture to it. The casing is nice and crisp. I'm sure you can hear the crunch in that nice casing on top of it. Definitely an awesome Super Bowl party food that is right there. Definitely have to take that around the next barbecue I go to. It was just so nice and juicy in the middle. That nice crisp crunch on that casing. Then with the added buttery flakiness with the croissant. It doesn't get better than that at all. Definitely not. Now let's try the next pair of wings and see how it goes. And let's pray to the Lord. Lord willing, the Bengals win the Super Bowl. They finally threw 3 up on the board, so we're looking something good. You know, we're not too far down. Let's go Joe Burrow. So here's another not hurricane wing. This is Xtream Wings. Let's give it a shot for number 2. The last one was disappointing without the flavor. It's mostly just a fried wing. Like I said, the wing was crispy, it was juicy, it was good and delicious, but it had no honey garlic flavor like it was supposed to. Kind of disappointing. There's no honey garlic flavor on this at all. I don't know if they were hoping that I was going to drown it in blue cheese and not be able to tell the flavor wasn't there, but that's a shame. 100% a shame. It's horrible. Beautiful wing, crispy, golden brown, everything you want it to be, and there's no sauce on it. It's plain. Total disappointment. On this all days, the Super Bowl, it's going to be Hurricanes for the win. You can just feel the difference in the texture of it and the stickiness of the honey. There's no honey or garlic on that. What a shame. And Hurricanes for the win. And that's our review. Till next time, peace.
What's up? I'm Tony G. I'm here with Kent. I'm going to review Utz Ripple Chips.
The hell of a onion French onion dip.
See, now we have the V-shaped variant. V for Valentine's. So happy Valentine's Day to you. We're going to go in here with the hell of a good French onion. Nice, light, fluffy, crispy. Not too much salt. Very good. Want a chip?
Super Bowl MVP.